Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is me, Kat, and I would like to wish everybody a Merry Christmas. Today, we are visiting Zio People's Farm in Messina.
We are already in winter, but there is the sun shining and keeping us warm during this cold season. I have prepared for this day and wanted to capture every beautiful place to share it with you. I don't get tired during the travel because on the way I see beautiful panorama of the mountain. Besides, I have to pass several tunnels, and at the end of every tunnel there is an amazing view waiting. Finally, we are here at the farm. I feel I am in my hometown now. This place reminds me of the village where I grew up. I see mountains, trees, and plants everywhere. This place is very relaxing. In the barn, I see lovely horses. Most of them are Arabian. I wish I could ride one, but I didn't. I am entertained watching the horse running. It is fantastic and gets me more excited by the sounds it creates while galloping. And now there are two. It is even more entertaining. I get mesmerized most by these two white horses. They are very beautiful. I just learned that one of these horses is the mother of the two baby horses. We left the farm after lunch and went higher up the mountain. While on the top of the mountain and tried to look down, the villages that look enormous are now very small. This made me think that we are very small compared to the nature. I had so much fun in the farm and we went home at night. Thank you for watching. See you on my next videos.